Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the cybersecurity landscape. It offers powerful capabilities that enhance our ability to detect, prevent, and respond to cyber threats. So, how exactly is AI making a difference in cybersecurity? Hello everyone, welcome back to Rock Cybersecurity. I'm your host Roxana, and today's video we will explore the exciting ways in which artificial intelligence, or AI as I will be referencing it this entire video, is revolutionizing the field of cybersecurity. As technology advances, so do the threats we face. Thankfully, AI is also here to help us combat those threats. Let's get into it. Number 1, threat detection. AI is transforming the threat detection ways. Traditional security systems often rely on predefined rules and signatures to identify malicious activities. However, cybercriminals are constantly evolving and inventing new tactics. AI comes into play by leveraging machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, because we all know AI is pretty much an algorithm that processes data and detects anomalies or patterns that may indicate a potential threat. This means that due to the fact that AI's main purpose is to process vast amounts of data in a short amount of time, it can also advise either machine learning or different tools that use AI to detect threats in a more efficient way. Number 2, advanced malware detection. Another significant area where AI shines is advanced malware detection. We've talked about malware, you know what malware is. Cybercriminals are employing sophisticated techniques to evade traditional antivirus software. AI-based solutions, on the other hand, can adopt and learn from new threats, improving their ability to detect malware by analyzing files behavior, network behavior, and even code patterns that may appear as malicious code. Malware detection tools use data from good and malicious behavior of the systems that are meant to protect. Based on this set of data, AI creates a good behavior baseline with which compares any behavior data and alerts the security professionals when it finds out any unordinary behavior. This is obviously not a perfect technology, and it definitely requires ongoing resources as well as continuous updating of that baseline to lower the percentage of false negatives that it might produce. Number 3, behavior analysis. Furthering the previous point, AI enables us to go beyond the static analysis of threats. With behavior analysis, as I said, AI algorithms can monitor and learn from user behavior, traffic behavior, systems interactions, social media. This allows them to identify deviations from normal patterns and quickly flag any suspicious activities that may indicate a potential cyber attack.
As workspaces become increasingly digital and distributed, the need for user behavior analytics has become more prominent. With much of the workforce working remotely and the widespread adoption of SaaS, cloud, and mobile apps, identifying potential security threats has become more difficult. The global average cost of a data breach sits at nearly $4 million, so data protection is clearly crucial. And 34% of data breaches involve internal actors. This makes recognizing insider threats vital to ensuring sensitive data, like health records or intellectual property, are not compromised.
And the same goes for network and any other systems interaction. This technology establishes a pattern of behavior and alerts the monitoring team of any outliers. This helps the IT teams or the security teams to have a better grasp on the company's security status and catch any potential breaches in time, or at least faster. Number 4, automated response. AI's impact on cybersecurity extends to automated response systems. Once a threat is detected, AI can trigger automated responses such as isolating compromised system, blocking malicious traffic, or initiating incident response procedures. This rapid response capabilities helps reduce the time it takes to mitigate the impact of an attack and prevent further damage. This type of response is either done through policies that restrict certain behaviors or by instructing the system to run certain actions when it detects certain behaviors. This is a very common thing in cybersecurity now due to the fact that the industry is moving into a direction that uses more and more automation, as well as is trying to compensate for the shortage of professionals in cybersecurity. And also, when it comes to an attack, every single second counts, because with every second that those systems are online, that a service doesn't work, the company loses money. So the faster we manage to mitigate these attacks and bring the systems back up, the less damages makes to the company and we do better our jobs. And with this, I also want to take a moment to encourage you to at least consider a career in cybersecurity. We need more people with a massive variety of skills. You don't have to be a programmer to work in cybersecurity. The industry needs your skills. If you just look on YouTube, since we're here, for how to get into cybersecurity, what jobs can you find in cybersecurity? You can be an analyst, you can be an ethical hacker, you can set up systems from the ground up. You genuinely don't have to be a programmer, a typical programmer, to get into cybersecurity. You can work in cybersecurity from many different areas, and the industry needs your experience and your help. And you can make good money too. So maybe consider it. Number 5, enhance authentication. AI is also transforming authentication methods. Traditional usernames and password systems are prone to many vulnerabilities, such as weak passwords or stolen credentials. AI-powered authentication systems employ techniques like facial recognition, voice analysis, and behavior biometrics to provide more robust and secure user authentication. You're currently using this type of technology every single day. If you own any type of device that has facial recognition or fingerprint recognition, which many devices do have, or most devices do have right now, or any type of settings that allow you to do certain things at home without needing to authenticate in a specific app, for example, you are using AI. These features have developed more and more as technology has developed more and more, and we are trying to integrate really cool things into our technology. Also, any of the virtual assistants that you have at home, from Alexa to Google to Siri to whatever other virtual assistants you might have, or on your mobile devices, use voice recognition as an authentication tool. This is the reason why certain voices can activate certain virtual assistants, and they will also answer based on who's asking the question. Like, for example, I can't activate Siri on one of my friends' phone because their phone is specifically programmed through AI to only recognize their voice. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Number 6. Ethical hacking and vulnerability management. AI is not only useful for defending against attacks, but can also assist in ethical hacking and vulnerability management. AI algorithms can simulate attacks, identify vulnerabilities in systems, and help security professionals patch those vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors or hackers. Let's just call them hackers. These types of tools are used by security teams to be able to simulate attacks and improve their system security. It is a really fun playing ground where everything goes. In the same realm, with the appropriate limitations and approvals, companies will employ ethical hackers to purposely try to break into their own live systems to test their boundaries and improve their security. AI is a massive part of this. An ethical hacker will use AI to try to break into a website, into an application on your phone, or into your social media, or they're going to try to use AI to connect with the company's employees through let's just say LinkedIn, and through social engineering, they can try to get more and more information about their company. And the hacker can use that information to break into the company system. And when I mean system, I mean everything that company owns, from servers to their website, to their apps, which are also linked to their servers, to pretty much like walking into the building, if they have a building that you can walk into and access their emails and everything that they do in their like work computers and so on. Now, in conclusion, today I've kind of gone through some of the ways in which artificial intelligence is changing slowly but surely cybersecurity. In cybersecurity, as cyber professionals, we like to move very slowly because we have to move very cautiously when it comes to preventative security. But also, we can use things like threat analysis tools and so on to kind of try to catch any malicious intervention that might be done into the company's system. From threat detection and advanced malware analysis to behavior analytics and automated response systems, AI is changing the way our AI is enhancing our ability to protect against evolving cyber threats. Remember, staying informed and adopting best practices for AI is crucial to maintain cybersecurity measures, like keeping your password as strong as possible, enabling MFA. Most companies have done that by default, so you have to do it anyway. But if not, I would encourage you to push the company that you work at to kind of improve the way that they do their cybersecurity. This has been a very short video, but I want you to leave with something. AI has been a massive improvement in the way that we do cybersecurity. And as much as like the technology evolves more and more, we also have to move very cautiously from this field because this technology has many threats behind it, and we still don't know the full capabilities of the AI systems that we currently develop. Thank you for watching. I have another video on the threats of AI. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. It's already on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you haven't. It will help me a lot. I hope this video has given you more information on what AI can do for us outside what media is putting out there, and specifically what it can do for cybersecurity and the way that we use it in cybersecurity to prevent or detect certain threats. Now, stay informed, stay safe. I'll see you next time with more cybersecurity topics. Bye!